Number 9 is another word problem. It says a plane is flying at an altitude of 1,200 meters. So that means that it is 1,200 meters above the ground. So from the ground up, it's 1,200 meters. That's what an altitude of 1,200 meters means. We're also told that the angle of depression between the plane and the airport is 32 degrees. So angle of depression, remember that angle is always from the horizontal down. So imagine a horizontal line and we're measuring out 32 degrees below that. So the angle of depression here is 32 degrees, and I've got that labeled here. So this little dot here, that's going to represent my plane. It is up in the air, assumably, and the angle of depression from that plane to the airport tower down on the ground is 32 degrees. We also know that it's 1,200 meters above the ground. So this is one possible triangle that you could draw for this problem. And we are asked to figure out what is the distance rounded to the nearest meter between the plane and the tower. So here's plane, here's the tower. So we're looking for this distance here. So basically, we're looking for the hypotenuse of this triangle. So just like in the previous one, we'll use a trig function to help us solve this. So looking at the 32-degree angle, it looks like we have opposite, and we've got the hypotenuse since x is across from the right angle. So opposite and hypotenuse. That makes this a sine problem. So sine of 32 degrees equals opposite on top, hypotenuse on bottom. Multiply both sides by x. So finish solving for x here by dividing both sides by sine of 32 degrees. So we're asked to round, what are we asked to round to? The nearest meter. So we'll say x is about 2,264 meters.